Today we're going to tour this 2.5-storey bungalow that's 6,600 square feet in land area with a built-up of approximately 7,800 square feet. Let's check it out. The home comes with 9 rooms and 9 baths. There are 2 living halls. The first living hall you will notice as you enter the house is this majestic ceiling height and its grand feature wall.
With its floor-to-ceiling windows, you will see that this home has ample natural light coming right through. The main door faces southwest, which is great for bungalows because both sides of the home don't get direct sunlight. So this part of the home, which gets southeast sun, lights up the space just about enough.
And when you come home in the evening, you'll be greeted by this grand chandelier. This is the main living area. There is a second living area right here. If you love to entertain, this could easily be turned into a formal dining area with windows wrapped all around it.
The dining area is cozy and fits a 12-seater. It opens up directly to a water feature fish pond. This is ideal for family dinners and is just right next to the kitchen, which we will come back to. Persiaran Zaaba forms part of a horseshoe-shaped enclave that is approximately 1.9 kilometers long, with a mix of 2-story terraces, semi-Ds and bungalows. Bungalows are less common, only 11 units, while the rest are predominantly terraces. Market listings show around 1 to 2 bungalows available at any time. This is the only bungalow unit for sale at the moment.
The sizes varies based on the curvature of the land, with the average land plot running from 6,000 to 10,000 square feet. Set at the edge of TTDI, Persiaran Zaaba runs on the periphery. With slight elevation changes, the land is relatively flat, while the bungalows mainly sit on higher ground. The topography of TTDI is one of its most underrated strengths, both from a property value and livability perspective. There are 4 points to the topography of TTDI.
Number 1. Elevation. TTDI sits approximately 53 meters or 174 feet above sea level, with localized areas reaching around 115 meters or 377 feet toward its upland zones. The elevation span results in mild slopes, not steep but enough to enhance drainage and create visual interest. Number 2. Terrain flow and contours. The township originated on a former rubber estate, is laid out respecting the natural ground form, resulting in a terrain that's undulating yet smooth. Roads like Jalan Datuk Sulaiman follow the ridges, while smaller lanes meander down slight inclines, echoing the trees and topography. Number 3. Zonal elevation differences. Peripheral ridges, for example, Persiaran Zaaba, Jalan Abang Haji Oping, sit on gentle rises, approximately 80 to 115 meters, ideal for uniform housing and community facilities. Number 4. Environmental resilience. These gradual slopes ensure efficient rainwater runoffs and low flood risk, no sharp valleys to funnel water dangerously. Since the original design maintained natural landform, TTDI preserves a more stable and green microclimate. Why does this matter to home buyers? Elevated ridges enhances privacy, airflow and vantage views. Gentle slopes throughout improves drainage, prevents flooding, aids landscaping. Undisturbed contours retains green character and long-term neighborhood appeal. Flat central zones suits convenient access to shops, schools and transport. This home sits on a slightly elevated ground, so you have these advantages: competitive flood resilience, better privacy and airflow, opportunities for architecturally noteworthy landscaping, slight but perceivable viewing advantage.
Zaaba bungalows were completed circa 1977. The average land size for the bungalows in this area is about 6,000 square feet. This home underwent complete renovation in 1997 and was completed a year after. The homeowner himself was the project manager and site supervisor for the house, as he wanted to look into every single detail of the home.
From the marble flooring, wooden frames and every curvature of the homeowner sourced and managed the renovation works. It's interesting to note that even after 26 years, you would not find any hairline cracks on any of the walls. The wall finishings are smooth and almost still brand new. Every window frame in the home is made from original cengal wood, sourced from Terengganu, the hometown of the owner. Similarly for the wooden floorboards. The herringbone design of the floor faces the Kaaba.
As you enter the home, you'll be greeted by two living halls. You will notice that the layout is completely flat, which is ideal for both elderly and young children.
There are two bedrooms, a guest room with its own ensuite, and a helper's room that's large enough to be a second guest room if you like.
The kitchen is a small, cozy kitchen, which I think is ideal for today's family. You will notice that the kitchen is in pristine condition, with good hardwood finishing on all its carpentry, which is great unlike today's plywood chipboard finishing that is common in today's carpentry work.
I think if you like to give this kitchen a bit of a facelift, you can install a new backsplash. And patented marble countertops will change the look of the kitchen immediately without much effort or cost.
I love the curvatures of the stairs. It adds a lot of warmth and character to the house versus the conventional L-shaped staircase.
These are generally harder to construct because it must be the custom shape with precise calculations with customized railings, handrails and balusters. There are 5 bedrooms with 5 baths, all with its own ensuite bath.
There is a dedicated workspace area at the top of the home with his and hers offices. Isn't that awesome? The car porch is large and spacious, allowing you to park up to 8 cars comfortably. I like how unassuming the home is from the exterior, but as you walk into the entrance of the home, you're greeted by its majestic ceiling height and the flush of natural light from its floor-to-ceiling windows.
For the subsale property market, we can divide the property segment into 4 categories. Category 1 needs rebuild. Category 2 requires A&A. Category 3 newer landed properties. Category 4 brand new landed properties.
This home belongs to the newer landed properties category because the piping, wiring and roofing have been done and no upgrading is needed. For the Cat 1 and Cat 2 categories, you're looking at spending somewhere between 200 to 350 ringgit per square foot for renovation because of the extensive works that need to be done.
For Cat 3, you are looking at aesthetic enhancements and upgrades, especially since the home comes with high-quality finishing such as the hardwood, marble, solid cabinets that I think you could keep and just do enhancement work. This would be about 100 to 150 per square foot. The last few renovated options also in Cat 3 whereby you simply need enhancement work in the neighborhood went for 6.35 to 7.5 million.
This home is asking for 6.8 million negotiable. If you're interested to find out more, give me a call or drop me a text. Head on to our website at yinhomes.my for more TTDI options. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to catch our next home tour video. I'm Yin Ping from Yin Homes, always happy to show you the place.